Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Now welcome to our maths class. See, already in earlier classes we have discussed about in chapter 3 integers first, then operations of integers like addition, subtraction of integers, then multiplication and division of integers. Okay, I think you all clear about that. Okay, now see, I have drawn one figure. See, what type of figure is this? It is a square. You know what type of figure is this? In geometry, this shape is square shape figure. Then what is its area? Square means all four sides are same. Yes. Then what is its area? Area is equal to side into side. Okay. Side into side. Suppose one side is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. One side has given 4 centimeter. What is its area? Area is equal to 4 into 4 centimeter square. Okay. Which is equal to 16 centimeter square. Okay. Similarly, if I will write 2 to the power 4. Okay. Then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It means 2 is multiplied 4 times. Here also one thing I want to say, 4 square. That means 4 into 4. Okay. 4 multiplied 2 times. Here 2 multiplied 4 times. If I will write minus 11 to the power 3, then I will write minus 11 into minus 11 into minus 11. Okay. Minus 11 is multiplied by itself 3 times. Now here 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4. 2 is called base. 2 is called base. And 4 is called power or exponent. Power or exponent. So 2 is called base and 4 is called power or exponent. Suppose in case of 7 to the power 3. Suppose let's take another example, 7 to the power 3. Here 7 is called base and 3 is called power or exponent. Power or exponent. I think you clear about that, power and exponent. And how can we read it? Suppose 2 to 2 power 4, you have to read like this, 2 to the power 4. Okay. Then this one, minus 11 to the power 3. How can you read? Minus 11 to the power 3. Okay. 7 to the power 3. 4 to the power 2. That means 2 also you can say 4 square. Okay. 4 square. Also, if you have seen any power 2, you can say square. If power 3, suppose I will write here 9 to the power 3. Okay. Or you can say 9 to the power cube. 9 cube. Okay. 4 square, 9 cube. After that, there is no other name. You have to say like this, 7 to the power 3. Here also 7 cube you can say. Okay. Like this. This is all about the power of integer. Let's move to the worksheet 8. This is worksheet 8. See. Question number 1. Read aloud. 5 power 2. How can you read? 5 square. Or you can read 5 to the power 2. B. 9 to the power 5. 9 to the power 5. C. 7 to the power 3. Next, D. Minus 2 to the power 4. Minus 10 to the power 3. Then minus 1 to the power 18. Now question number 2. See, complete the table given below. The first one is done for you. Power of the number, then base, exponent. Already I have told what is the base. Base is this number, and what is written in the head of the number. This is the exponent. Okay. Then 7 to the power 5. Base is 7 and exponent is 5, like this. 9 to the power 3. Base is 9 and what is written in the head? 3, that is the exponent, or you can say power. Then minus 3 to the power 4. Minus 3 will be right in the base and 4 is the exponent. Minus 1 is the base and 6 is the exponent. Likewise you do. Then question number 3. Write in power notation. 4 into 4 into 4. How can you write? 4 to the power 3. Okay. How many times here multiplied 4? 3 times. That's why you will write 4 to the power 3. B, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. How many times multiplied here? 4 times. That is power 4. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 times is multiplied 5. Then 5 to the power 5. Minus 10 into minus 10 into up to 8 times. Okay. Then you have to write minus 10 to the power 8. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into 33 times. Then you have to write minus 1 to the power 33. Okay. Like this you have to do. Then question number 4. Write the following in expanded form. Just opposite of this. 2 to the power 5. You have to write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It means 5 times you have to write like this. Multiply by 2. Okay. Then B. 3 to the power 4. You have to multiply 3 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Minus 7 to the power 3. Minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. Then question number 5. Compute the following. Compute the following means you have to multiply the numbers and write down the answer also. 3 to the power 4. It means 3 multiplied by itself 4 times. Then what is its value? 3 into 3. 9, 9, 3. 27 3s are 81. Okay. Don't multiply like this. 3 into 4, 12. Okay. This will be wrong. Minus 5 square. Minus 5 into minus 5. The minus into minus. Already you know plus. Plus 25. Then minus 1 to the power 78. Minus 1 into minus 1 up to 78 times is equal to 1. Then minus 4 to the power 3 into minus 10 to the power 3 into minus 1 to the power 789. Okay. Minus 4 to the power 3. It means minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Then minus 10 to the power 3. Minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. Then you see minus 1 into 789 times. It means this is an odd number or even number. This is odd number. Okay. Then you will get it. If you find this is odd number, then its value is minus 1. Here you see this is even number. That's why minus into minus plus 1. But in case of odd number, you will get minus 1. You remember. See, for example, short example, minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1 because it is multiplied even times. Means 2 times. Okay. If I will say minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to, you will get minus 1 because it will multiplied 3 times. 3 times means odd time. 3 is odd and 2 is even. That's why if you multiplied minus 1 into even times, then you will get plus 1. If minus 1 multiplied by itself in odd times, then you will get minus 1. Okay. Then you see 4 into 4 into 4 minus 64. Then 10 into 10 into 10, 1000 minus 1000, then minus 1. Minus into minus plus, then plus into minus minus. Minus 64,000. Okay. See question number 6. Find the number which is cube of minus 9. Cube of minus 9 already I have told. Minus 9 to the power 3. 3 means cube. Okay. Then minus 9 into minus 9 into minus 9. Which is equal to minus 729. Then B. Square of 15. 15 square means power 2. 15 square. 15 into 15, 225. Then 19th power of minus 1. You see minus 1 to the power 19. Minus 1 into minus 1, 19 times. This is an odd number. Okay, what is its value? Minus 1. Then question number 7. Simplify. 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square means 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4. 9. 3 into 3, 9 plus 16, 4 into 4, which is equal to 25. Then B. 2 to the power 3 minus 4 to the power 2. 2 into 2 into 2 minus 4 into 4. 8 minus 16, which is equal to minus 8. Then C. 1 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3. That is 1 into 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. 2 into 2 into 2, 8 plus 3 into 3 into 3, 27, which is equal to 36. Then minus 1 to the power 16 plus minus 1 to the power 36 plus minus 1 to the power 7 plus minus 1 to the power 54. See, if we multiplied minus 1 into 16 times, what we will get? 1. If I will multiply minus 1 into 36 times, this is also even number, then you will get 1. If we multiply minus 1 7 times, then we will get minus 1 plus minus 1. If we multiply 54 times, then it will be 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3 minus 1. Then 2 is the answer. 3 to the power 3 minus of minus 2 to the power 3. 3 into 3 into 3, 27 minus minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, which is equal to minus 8. Minus into minus plus, which is equal to 35. Question number 8. Subtract the cube of minus 2 from the cube of 2. From the cube of 2 means 2 to the power 3 minus cube of minus 2. Minus 2 to the power 3. Which is equal to 2 to the power cube means 8 minus of minus 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Then question number 9. Verify. Minus 2 to the power 5 into minus 2 to the power 3 is equal to minus 2 to the power 8. You have to verify. Means you have to show that LHS is equal to RHS. Minus 2 to the power 5. It means you have to multiply minus 2 into 5 times. Then minus 2 into 3 times. Then you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then minus 2 to the power 8, which is equal to RHS. 6 to the power 5 into 6 to the power 4 is equal to 6 to the power 9. See, in LHS it is 6 to the power 5 into 6 to the power 4. See, 6 is multiplied here 5 times and here 4 times. Then 5 and 4, 9 times. You have to write 6 to the power 9, which is equal to RHS. Then see, 5 square minus 3 square is equal to 4 square. In LHS, 5 square means 25. 3 square is equal to 9, which is equal to 16. RHS is equal to 4 square means 16. See, LHS is equal to RHS. Then question number 11. What power of 2 is 32? It means what will be the power of 2, then you will get 32. Power will be 2 into 2, 4, 2 jar 8, 2 jar 16, 2 jar 38. How many times 2 multiplied here by itself? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay. Then you can say the power of 2 is 5. Then you will get 32. Then minus 4 power dash is equal to minus 64. See, minus 4, 4 4 jar 16, 4 jar 64. How many times multiplied here? 3 times. You have to write here 3. Okay. Move to the brain test. See, question number 1. Take the correct answer. The number of integers between minus 10 and 3. See, I have drawn here the number line minus 10 and 3. You know, this is the 0 plus 1, 2, 3. You have to write in right side of the 0. Then left side you have to write negative numbers up to minus 10. How many integers are there in between 3 and minus 10? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The answer is 12. B. If we subtract minus 10 from minus 11, okay, what we will get? Minus 10 from minus 11. That means minus 11 minus of minus 10, minus 11 minus of minus plus 10, which is equal to minus 1 is the answer. Then C. Square of 2 subtracted from cube of minus 1. Square of 2 subtracted from cube of minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 2. Then minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, you will get minus 1, minus 2 into 2, 4, which is equal to minus 5 is the answer. Then D. Value of minus 7 mod minus 7, or you can say absolute value of minus 7 plus minus 6 plus absolute value of 3 is dash. See, minus 7 absolute value is equal to 7 plus minus 6 plus absolute value of 3 is equal to 3. Then 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 minus 6, which is equal to 4 is the answer. Then which of the following does not lie to the right side of minus 61 on the number line? See, I have drawn here of one imaginary number line from 0, like this side is positive numbers you have to write, and left side you have to write down the negative number. Suppose minus 1 like this, here minus 61 up to dot minus 73 like this the numbers will come. Then question has given which of the following does not lie to the right side of the minus 61. See, minus 10, 18, minus 49, minus 10 here comes the right side of minus 61, and 18 also come this side, minus 49 also come in this point. Okay, these are all comes in the right side of minus 61, but minus 73 will come in the left side of minus 61. That's why question is given which of the following does not lie to the right side of minus 61. Then your answer is minus 73. Okay. Then question B, answer the following question. Write any two integers less than minus 101. Less than minus 102, minus 103. Okay. Then find the value of minus 30 minus of minus 7. Absolute value. Okay. Or you can say mod minus 30 minus of minus plus 7, which is equal to minus 23. The mod is equal to 23. Then C. Which integer added to minus 4 will give the integer 5? Okay. It means dash plus you add minus 4, which is equal to 5. What will be the added to minus 4? You will get 5. Which it will be 9, because 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. D. Simplify and write its opposite. Okay. Simplify. Minus 3 into 5 into minus 1. Minus minus plus 3 5 are 15. What is its opposite? Opposite of 15 is minus 15. Then E. Find the sum of the greatest negative integer and smallest positive integer. You know, greatest negative integer is minus 1 and smallest positive integer is plus 1. The sum is minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Then in question number 2, indicate using integers. 200 BC. BC means before Christ. Okay, it means minus 200. Then B, 5 degrees Celsius below 0 means minus 5 degrees Celsius. Wind by 3 goals plus 3. 40 kilometer above sea level plus 40. Okay. Then question number 4. Write any 3 integers which are smaller than minus 25. You have to write minus 26, minus 27, minus 28, which are smaller than minus 25. Okay, 3 integers you have to write. Then greater than minus 191. Greater than minus 191, minus 190, minus 189, minus 188. Any integer greater than minus 191 you have to write any 3 integer. Then question number 6. Find the value on the number line. See, minus 3 plus 5 minus 7. Already I have told when you add this number in a number line, you first go to the minus 3. You draw one number line, give a arrow mark here. Number line 0, first you start minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, that is the starting point. Minus 3 plus 5. Plus 5 means you have to go right side 5 steps, jump 5 steps in right side of minus 3. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 step. Then you will reach it 2. Okay. Then minus 7. Minus 7 means you have to go left side 7 steps. Means here you put these steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 step. That means you go from 2 to minus 5. Your answer is minus 5. Here you see 8 plus minus 6 plus minus 2. Okay. You start from 8. Starting point is your 8. Then minus 6. Minus 6 means you go to the left side 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 step. You reach at 2. Then go to the minus 2. Minus 2 also you go to the 2 step in left side. 1, 2. Where you reach? 0. Your answer you write here 0. Okay. This is the starting point, not your answer. This is the starting point or starting integer. Then question number 7. Simplify. Minus 400 plus 781 plus minus 1400 plus minus 81 plus 300. See, all minus negative integers I have put in one bracket, taking as one group, and positive integers one another group. See, minus 400, minus 1400, minus 81. Here minus taking common, you add this 3, 1881 plus 1081, which is equal to minus 800 in the answer. Then question number 8. Subtract. Subtract minus 9 from 0. That is 0 minus of minus 9, 0 plus 9, which is equal to 9. Then question number 9. Find the value of minus 6 into 9 plus minus 11, which is the distributive property of multiplication. Minus 6 into 9 plus minus 11 is equal to minus 2. Minus 6 into minus 2 is equal to plus 12. Then C has given 5 to the power 2 into minus 1 to the power 19 into minus 2 to the power 3 into 3 square into minus 10 to the power 3, which is equal to 5 into 5, 25, minus 1 to the power 19 means its value is minus 1 because its power is 19. Then minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, minus 8 into 3 square, 3 into 3, 9 into minus 10 to the power 3. It means minus 1000. Then minus into minus into minus. It means the result will be minus. Then this is 25 into 8 is equal to 200 into 9000, which is equal to 18 lakh. See, question number 13. Fill in the missing places with proper integers. Multiply by minus 3. Minus 3 you have to multiply with every integer and put the blank spaces. Means minus 25 into minus 3. Here you have to write 75. Then minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. Minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Like this you fill the blanks. Then missing places you have to fill. Then add minus 10. Minus 10 minus 0. It will become minus 10. Minus 10 minus 23. Minus 33. Okay. You have to add from this one and this blanks you have to fill. Okay. Then let's move to the hertz. See the question of hertz. Calculate 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus plus 179 minus 180. See how to calculate this. First we will take as one pair 1 minus 2. What will be the answer? Minus 1. Then plus 3 minus 4. This is the minus 1 plus 5 minus 6. This will be minus 1 plus up to the dot 179 minus 180 is equal to what is its value? Minus 1. Then how many times minus 1 comes? See, in 2 digit we will get 1 digit. And these numbers written up to minus 180. It means if you will half of the numbers minus 1 will come, it means it will come minus 1 90 times, that is minus 1 into 90, which is equal to minus 90 is your answer. Then find the value of 5 plus minus 5 plus 5 plus minus 5 plus 5 up to the dot. If the number of 5s are 148. See, if the number of 5s are 148, 5 plus minus 5. See, if I take its result will be 0. Then these two, the result will be 0. Like this, these two will be the result like 0 up to the dot. How many times it will come? 148 times. Then its value is 0. If it will 191 times, it means here is even number. Okay, 2 2, that is 2 2 you will get 0, that is last end will be the even times you will get. If 191 times 5 plus minus 5, 5 plus minus 5 like this, you have to write 190 times it will come minus 5. Okay, 5 plus minus 5, this is called 190 टाइम्स आपका यहाँ तक आएगा. देन एक्स्ट्रा 191 टाइम्स में आपका 5 आ जाएगा, बिकॉज इट इज द ऑड नंबर. ओके, दैट इज यू टू वैल्यूज आर 0, दिस टू वैल्यूज आर 0, लाइक दिस टू वैल्यूज अप टू 0. व्हाट लेफ्ट? 5 लेफ्ट. That's why 0 plus 5 is the answer. That means its answer is 5. Today's homework is complete worksheet 8 and BT with value based question. Thank you students.